Say something. Where are you, Mr. TTT? In the middle of nowhere. Where is that middle of nowhere? 20. Where? 20 Osmena. There. Tatawid tayo sa Fuente Circle. Sarap. Habang walang sasakyan. How boring. Akala ko ang mabibideo ko yung maraming sasakyan.
You took a bite out, baby, in the middle. I do believe that you came up run.
Paligaw mo sa kanya. Tokyo.
I thought I was only trying to be gentle. Said I should leave for the sun coming. You got hot, red hot now, babe. You got hot, red hot now, babe. You got hot, red hot now, babe. Trying to reach out, I get nothing coming.
Hindi ba nagpupunta sa simbahan siyempre?
Oh, pagkatapos ng holiday.
Ah, talaga? Pag Holy Week, sarado kayo? Yung Holy Thursday, Holy Friday, walang ganyan?
May Holy Friday, Holy Thursday, pag Holy Friday, andyan dun sa bahay.
Ah, ganun? Sarado ang simbahan?
Hindi naman,
Hindi, imagine ko maraming tao.
ay, hindi ka katoliko. Katoliko naman ako. Basta may pagdating ng Holy Friday, may gagawin ako eh.
Ah, namamanata ka?
Oo. Kasi nasa kanya naman ako.
Ah, healer ka din.
Oo.
Taga Sikihor ka?
Hindi, taga dito lang ako. But binigyan ako ng gift ni God na mapagaling naman ako.
Wow. Anong edad mo na?
Ako, ngayon, 12 pa lang ako.
Halo. Argao. Sorry. Where you going? Osmena Peak! Osmena Peak!
Tandang-tanda ko pa yun.
Oops.
Just slowly. Oh, really?
Asa agi dito, Glenn? Wow. Mamaya na pababa. Akit muna tayo. Anong apelido Glenn 1?
Salvano.
Ikaw Glenn 2?
Amino.
Uy, fog!
Picture ko kayo para hindi yan mamula. Makakita pa
O
kayo.
sa camera.
Yung cellphone sir.
Wow. Whoa, we're inside the fog. Oh, look at that.
What a nice
Ingat ka.
timer.
What a nice timer.
Ha?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Glenn 1, Glenn 2, time's up. Alright.
1,
Parang gusto ni Glenn maging photographer. Walang alam.
2. Wow.
Sige nga, patingin nga. Nawala yung ano.
Ay sila. Simala.
Ay, sumala ni mo, di burong maka.
Ay simala nimo.
Lagi ako ba?
Bago na ako simala daw.
Yan, direct nga ipatalas yung phone na kako yun.
Gusto mo magpaa ka na lang?
Basta dyan mo lang pwede.
Number plus. May number plus.
Ate ka nimdam. Magmalong ka kente. Gulis naman pa ako. Wow. Galing pa. May mga effect ka pa. May mga effect. May galing ah.
Yan na yung like of maon.
Nala mong balabol din.
Awag loy. Nay, naman magbibiro kasi gulo man.
Where are we? Osmena Peak! Yeah! Wow, what do they call that? They call that Gatorade water. Look at the falls. Tumalog Falls. Woohoo!
Yan ano mga cellphone. Tagpo ko ng mga
What can you say when love goes away that hasn't been said before? I have no rhyme that's different this time. There's no words to sing anymore. I haven't a clue why you went away. I only know you are gone. And I sit alone, my heart by the phone. And so I just listen to rain as it falls to the ground and washes the day away. Nothing to show and no place to go. So here in my room I stay. I don't know that I could forget you, no matter how hard I try. I'm all alone, and honestly, I don't know why. From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling, that would make you smile? I'll bring you flowers, girl, enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love.
Dumaguete bound. Feel the alloy. There is a word for that in Bisaya. Ngilngiga.